old money videos, that is not a flex. CLS 53 AMG, it's the best, yeah. Skipping lanes, I'm running through them states. I was only 13 when I caught my first case. Bitch, I got the city hot like the fucking Everglades. Dub clothes out of style, please go put that shit away.
Well, the body shop started making the cuts for the truck. As you guys can see. They even cut the leg already. I made it shorter. Took off the door. They cut right here as well. Yeah. Today we'll be rebuilding the motor, or swapping, basically taking off everything that's broken and putting on everything new. As far as this front plate is broken, so I'm gonna change the whole front plate. The motor, oil pan is broken. Changing that now, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the field. Oh, and transmission lines is messed up, so I'll be changing those as well. Let's go. Okay, so we got the transfer case off. It's crazy. Broke into 2 pieces. But we got the transfer case off. And okay, the new transfer case is on. And now I just changed the motor mount because the motor mount housing, as you can see, it's cracked. So the new one is on. We got a new motor mount as well, so I'm showing you guys every step of the way. New parts are in, oil pan, AC compressor, and the front housing, and then I'm gonna just change the water pump as well. Starting in now. Let's get it, let's go. Motor is in the air. And I'm getting ready to change the oil pan now. So let's go. There was some hidden damage. Okay, this is the plug for the starter, right? I changed the starter due to this tab right here being broken. If you look at it, you see that it's broken compared to the new one I just put on there, right? So in order for me to plug it up and it sits and stays like how it should, I had to change it. So I'm gonna tighten it up, lock it in, and finish putting it back together. The oil pan is off. It's crazy. I'm changing everything. And I'm gonna start on the front housing next. All right. The new oil pan is on. Starter and the shield back on. I changed the neutral cable. Neutral cable is on because the other one was broken. It wasn't even like this. It was completely broken. And then I changed the transmission lines. The new one. Oh, let me put this on right here. I'm gonna put this on when I put the phone down. The new ones are on, and I'm about to change the front housing now. And then I'm gonna drop it on the suspension on a new cradle, and we'll be ready to go. The motor's on the new cradle and the new suspension, and now it's time to change the front housing. Let's get it, let's go.
17, 18, both sides,
Motor is completely assembled, but we have one problem. This bolt is good, but there's a bolt that goes right there. It screws into a block. A piece of it broke inside of it, so we have to get a welder, aluminum welder, to come weld it or drill it out, and we'll be able to put the belt on the AC compressor. But the front plate is changed and ready to go. Motor is almost ready to go in. She's about 98% complete and ready to go in. We got everything changed, neutral cable, front plate, the cats are back on, alternator, starter, AC compressor, the new hoses, everything. But we just waiting on the welder to come and drill the bolt that's stuck inside the block for the AC compressor, and then we'll be able to put her up in the car. But as far as that, we're almost done with her. Changing the whole brake line assembly due to it being broken right here, and this one being bent. Okay, now we're about to change the two harnesses. The one that runs under the truck, that's cut, and we're gonna change this harness to a few of the tabs being broken. And yeah, well, a few of the tabs on this side were broken, like this, for instance. This is not there. Like a couple of them are broken, so we're gonna change that. And the truck is inside. We're about to run the new harness. For instance, like this one that's broken. As you can see, let me put it there. This one that's cut, we're gonna change that one, and yeah, I'll show you guys every step of the way. New harness is in. Yeah. New harness is in, and the new gas line assembly is in as well. New brake line assembly is on. All the brake lines connected. Wire harness on. Gas tank back on, as well as the rear end. Where you going? She's almost done.